Wow. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a pineapple strawberry smoothie. Alright, so guys, in this bowl I have 2 slices of pineapple frozen, about 6 strawberry all frozen. I have my yogurt and I have my milk, soy milk that I will be using, and I have my blender. No sweetener, no water. So I'm gonna get started right now. Gonna be adding the fruits to the blender, all frozen. My yogurt, and I'm gonna add my milk. This is already tasting good, guys. I'm gonna cover this. And then I'm gonna blend. You have the liquid milk, so you don't need water. So I'm gonna blend now, guys. And there you have it, guys, my easy smoothie. So easy, you just need 3 ingredients and you're good to go. Alright, so I'm gonna glass this now. Easy homemade smoothie. You can do it too, guys. Get those fruits up and just blend. Alright. Oops. Wow. 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 Look at that, guys. Wow. See it? It's just enough for one person that I mean. Alright. You can do it. You can add more fruits to yours if you have a big family, and whip up this nice delicacy. Alright, it's my pineapple strawberry smoothie. Right, so let me taste it. Guys, this is good. This is really good, refreshing, and it tastes so nice. It almost tastes like ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Yes, it tastes so nice. Yes guys, go ahead and try it. Yes guys, go ahead and try this easy breezy smoothie. Easy, so easy. One go and it's done. Alright, it's my pineapple strawberry smoothie. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about the smoothie when you have made it. Alright, let me know how you like it and give me a suggestion, an idea of what to do next. Alright, just drop it in my comment section below. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. So until my next video, bye. Pineapple strawberry smoothie. Yes guys.